Bed convenience store. So 10 dirhams for the Yakult. Lasang Yakult. 10 dirhams for this sandwich. Ay, 10 baht pala. Hindi dirhams. 10 baht for this ketchup sausage with pink sauce, ketchup and mayonnaise. And 10 baht for, I think it's bun. It's sweet potato bun from Taiwan. You see, Yakult convenience store. It's only 10 baht. This is lactose free. In Baby convenience store. It's not only 7-Eleven you see here. There's also Baby. Let's have a taste. Siyempre, yun. Cheers. Ay, lasang Yakult. Promise. Yakult na Yakult. Yakult ba to? Yakult na Yakult siya. 10 out of 10. Taro bun review. From Baby convenience store. Not only 7-Eleven is present, but they have Baby convenience store. This is Taro bun and Milo, the best. The best ang Milo dito sa Thailand, promise. Let's see. Parang kiriban. Parang kiriban. Ooh. Taro. Parang kamote. Hindi masyado matamis. Pag yung mga taro naman nila dito sa hindi masyado matamis. Parang sa Taiwan lang. Actually, Taiwan din. This is halal. Arban. Hap. Hindi ko masyadong gusto. 7 out of 10. Pwede na. Mama ni Milo. Let's taste this. Sausage with pink sauce, ketchup and mayonnaise sandwich from Baby convenience store. So pinkish siya. Parang yung baon ng bata. Naman sa akin sausage. Seven out of 10.